Hey, hello everyone. Thank you all for joining in today for our series Fighting with Depression with the Right Weapons. So, I believe everyone is really happy, and people who are watching it right now, if you are going through depression or if you are going through any kind of mental health issue, I believe by the end of this series, you will always have a hope awaiting for you. So, let's get into today's topic. Many of us have gone through depression, right? But many people do not know how to overcome it, or people might have found an alternative but got addicted to the alternative which they themselves have found. But still, there won't be any peace in their heart. Yes, my dear friends, depression is something that every human is facing now and then. And you know what? According to the recent statistics published by World Health Organization, more than 700,000 people die every year due to suicide. And the age gap is not of above 40 or 70 or 60. No, it's not like that. People who die in 700,000 are in the age gap of 15 to 29 years old. When I read that, it was really like saddening for me to know that these many people die just because of depression. Because it was due to depression they commit suicide. The worst case of depression ends in suicide, and all these people have committed suicide, and their life has been completely now out of question. And you know what, in these current days where the corona cases are increasing and the viruses are in a huge number, people have really the mental health issue also increased a lot, because people lost their peace, people have lost their jobs, people have lost their many loved ones, right? So that was really hard to know that the rate of mental health issue, the depression, the anxiety, the worry, everything has added upon, and it has also increasing day by day. Not only for the age gap of not only like adults, but also even for the small children. They are also handling a different kind of pressure of what we can imagine. Yes, my dear friends. So I came across many people recently saying that they are taking in pills for sleeping. That was really sad to know, because sleeping is a natural thing, but taking in tablets for sleeping was really hard to know about it. And many people take in antidepressant drugs just to get out of depression. Let me make it clear to you, my dear friends, I'm not against medicine, but when we know the source of depression, we can easily find the way to overcome it. Let's start with this. Why depression arises? Why? What is the source of depression? If we think deeply about it, the source of depression is our emotions. What, Steffi? You really think it is emotions? I can read many of your minds. But let me tell you, my dear friends, yes, the source of depression is our own emotions. Have you ever thought about this question? Do I handle my emotions, or the emotions have a control over my life? What would be the answer for you, my dear friends? For example, when we have a close person, or when we have a person whom we really like a lot, and suddenly, if we observe there is a change in their behavior towards us, how our emotions react? Immediately we will be like worried, right? Or we would be thinking, what happened? What did we do? Or we'll be in worry, we'll be in anxiety, or we'll be in doubtful thing. We wanted to get it sorted out, right? Our emotions will get raised up at that point of time. So let me ask you, my dear friends, how is our emotions? Let it be like anger, sadness, joy, whatever it is. What is the source of our emotion? If it is anger, what is the source of your anger? If it is happiness, what is the source of your happiness? How your emotions are based upon? Do you have a control over your emotions, or the emotions are having a control over your life? Just think about it, my dear friends. And if you ask me a question, can we really control our emotions, which can lead to depression, and the depression can lead to suicide? Yes, my dear friends, we can really have control over our emotions. The places where we think that we might get angry, we can really have a control over it. And let me tell you, let's wait till next Saturday to know how to control the emotions, and how can we really get out from being trapped into certain things called as sadness, which will lead to depression, and depression which is leading to suicide. So please hold on, and let's meet next Saturday at the same time at 7 p.m. to know more about depression. So until then, it's your favorite Steffi signing off. Bye bye.